Hi everyone, Shahan Wicks at AudiSportExpert.ca, located at Audi Midtown. I'm here to show you how to fold your mirrors in the system settings. So here we have the menu. Now we're in a 2022 S4, but this is also for other Audis with the same interface here. Click on Vehicle. We want to go into Settings and Service there, and under Settings and Service we want to go to Central Locking, because this is what happens when you lock your mirror or lock the doors. And here it's already turned on, but that's to turn it off. I would turn it off in the winter time so it doesn't freeze up and go crunch 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 when you have to have ice built up on it. So in the summertime it's great. Fold mirrors, it's on. Long press to open windows, that's another good one to have on, and that way when you come up to the doors you hold the unlock button and it will open the windows, the sunroof, and release all the hot air. So it's great for that. So I hope that helps. That's my 1 minute tip or so for you on how to fold your mirrors. And we just go back and back here, and it's in Vehicle. Hope that helps. Bye for now. AudiSportExpert.ca. I'm Shahan Wicks, here with more valuable tips.